I was just reading this insane article that had top 6 supercars for under $200,000, which featured cars like the baby Mac 570S, Lamborghini Huracans, Audi R8s, and even F1 sounding Ferrari 458s. And I slammed my computer shut and said,
there has to be a better way.
From billionaire doors to steeds faster than a robber running from the cops. Honorable mentions that are super trucks. Guys, it's time to break open your piggy banks, because today on Idealist, we're coming at you with 10 exotics that can be built, not bought. I'm Brad, this is Ideal, and these are the best exotic kit cars that won't wreck your wallet. Let's go. Okay, how can we not start with the Vaydor G35? It rose to stardom by being the ideal ride for the Joker and Suicide Squad. My big man Mr. Shaq built one, and here's how you can become a star. Snag an Infinity G35 for under 7K, then the complete Vaydor kit for under 16. The result is an exotic looking machine with those billionaire boy doors, and a conversation starter no matter where you take it. Plus, since it's a Nissan Skyline under the skin, which you can check out our rundown on the Nissan Skyline up here, it is going to be reliable. Something you can't say about a $200,000 McLaren. Okay, doesn't this thing look like it just took a wrong turn in the Grand Theft Auto and ended up on public roads in the real world? I mean, if you want German performance, and I'm talking Porsche here, people, this is the exotic for you. For pennies on the dollar. All you gotta do is find a 986 box turd, toss on the Gagliardi VX kit, and you get the ideal combination of wild, exotic supercar styling combined with mid-engine German engineering. Since the whole kit is fiberglass, it's actually lighter than a stock Boxster, and its handling is on par with the best in the world. Plus, its looks will be breaking necks everywhere that you take it. As for your looks, well, debatable. Okay, I hear you guys want power. Well, hiding under the sleek curves, sharp lines, and sculpted hood penned by the famed car designer Henrik Fisker, yes, that Henrik Fisker, that thing is such a cool car. The Force One was built by VLF, a company started by the legendary Bob Lutz, has an 8.4 liter V10, and is entirely based on one of Trav's favorite cars, the Dodge Viper. It makes 745 blistering horsepower and is good for a top speed of 218 miles per. And here's the thing, the definition of cheap is all relative. And we're talking about hypercars, well, this thing is very cheap because it is hypercar territory, but it has poverty pricing comparatively. I mean, yeah, they trade hands at a cool $250,000, but compared to supercars like the Aventador SVJ, it's about 4 times as much. So I know which one I'd pick. Okay, that 86 should give you an idea of what this car is built on. Yes, it's your favorite JDM hero, the Toyota 86. Morphed into this supercar-like spectacle, massive splitter, wide intake and cooling vents, and aggressive shark nose design. Look through the open bay window, which is stolen straight from the ZR1, and you'll see a modified Toyota 3S GTE, which awaits to put on a performance of a lifetime. This is a fantastic car stock, and Sino design straight out of Japan takes the performance and curb appeal to another level. What is the best value for dollar car out there right now? Correct, the C6 Vet. LS engine, 6-speed manual, but everyone and their dad has one. Spice it up and take something a little different to your next Jorts and New Balance car show. It pays homage to the iconic 63 Stingray with the split rear window, but it has the performance of a modern Vet. Although, quite honestly, I'd probably just take John Cena's Senerator over the Rossi. The thing is so sick and it shoots flames. Please let us know which one you'd like down below. Also, while you're at it, please like the vid and subscribe if you're new. You know the McLaren 570S is British? Yeah, but did you want British supercar performance without the supercar price tag? This is it. This barely street legal exotic inspired by Le Mans race cars looks fast sitting still. And open those gold wing doors and people will be asking questions like, how much horsepower? Over 1,000, man. Is it fast? Yeah. Can I drive it? No, but you can build it. Yes, you can build your very own Evo Coupe for around 140 grand, which I know isn't cheap. But again, cheap is relative. This thing is faster around a racetrack than cars triple and quadruple its price. Even cars with quadruple superchargers, or is it turbochargers, like the Veyron. It's a bird! It's a plane! No, it's this extraterrestrial vehicle straight out of your latest sci-fi movie. And somehow this kit, well, it's street legal. I don't know how exotic this thing is, but it's sure to turn some heads. It starts life as a humble Chevy Cobalt, but with a little time and money, the result is something that looks truly out of this world. Okay, let's move on. This exotic car, it's imported from Detroit, because besides the Ford GT, and with an asterisk, the Dodge Viper, Corvette ZR1, and, well, the Ford GT as well, Detroit doesn't really build any supercars. But this mid-engine rear-wheel drive showstopper can be fitted with 2 turbos on an LS V8, and is built and designed to take on any modern supercar in the looks and performance categories. And the nice thing, well, is that it's all wrapped up in a DIY package. I mean, just get a couple of friends and you're ready to rock. The kit starts at just over $50K, and what you decide to do after that, well, the sky's the limit. Okay, this thing is the new kid on the block, and you probably haven't heard about it, but for under 20 grand, you can be one of the first to have this Ferrari-looking performance bargain. This is one of the most end-user customizable kits out there. They supply the chassis, body, and the glass, and you mix and match pretty much everything else to your heart's content. And as good as this thing looks, you know what would be absolutely amazing parked next to it? It's today's honorable mention, baby. I know you guys all love Hummer H1s, but if you want all the looks of the pavement princess for less than 10K, this is it. They come in 2, 4, or even 6-door units, depending on how many friends you have. And while we're off-road, you gotta get this one as well. Yes, inspired by the infamous Lancia Stratos. This exotic son of a rally car will perform all your on and off-road desires with flair, and some insane enthusiast already stuffed a Ferrari V8 into this gravel slinger. Now, that is ideal. Instantly recognizable because it looks a lot like a front-engine Corvette, but it's not. Well, actually, under the sweeping curves and prominent aerodynamic features, it is a C6 Corvette. But unlike the Vette, the aesthetics rival some of the most famous hypercars. And like all the other cars on this list, you can build them yourself with these things right here. Most of these are way less than those boring bought not built supercars. And if you're a built not bought kind of guy, these are the best cheap exotic cars to consider. Which one's your fave? Let us know below. Also, like, and if you're new here, please subscribe and turn on that notification bell, and check out this Ideal vid up here, or whatever YouTube recommends you watch next. I'm Brad, this is Ideal, and promise me one thing, keep living the ideal lifestyle.